sun is hot and that old clock is moving slow, and so am I. The workday passes like molasses in wintertime, but it's July, getting paid by the hour and older by the minute. My boss just pushed me over the limit. Like to call him something, I think I just call it a day. Tell me if I'm thinking wrong, get on a hurricane before I go insane. It's only 12:30, but I don't care. It's boating time somewhere. This lunch break is gonna take all afternoon and half the night. Tomorrow morning I know there'll be boats for me, and that's alright. I ain't had a day off in over a year. My freedom's vacation's gonna start right here. If the phone's for me, you can tell them I just boated away. Tell me if I'm thinking wrong, get on a hurricane before I go insane. It's only 12:30, but I don't care. It's boating time somewhere. I could pay off my tab, put myself in a cab, be back to work before 2. At a moment like this, can't help but wonder, what would the botanista do?
Funny you should ask, Jeff. You'd say,
tell me if I'm thinking wrong, get on a hurricane before I go insane. It's only 12:30, but I don't care. No, she don't care.
I don't care.
It's boating time somewhere.
What time zone am I on? What country am I in?
Oh, it don't matter. It's boating time somewhere.
It's always boating time in Jacksonville, come to think of it, if you're a Freedom Boat Club member.
You've been there, haven't you?
Yes, sir.
I've seen your boat there.
I've been to Freedomville unlimited time.
All right, that's good.
And I was happy all the way back.
Okay, I just want to make sure you can keep between the navigational beacons.
Between the buoys, I got it.
All right, well, it's boating time. Let's go somewhere.
I'm ready. Crank it up.
Let's get out of here.
I'm gone. It's boating time somewhere.